Hello users, welcome to Daily Captcha Work. We hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to see how to work in Daily Captcha Work. So first go to Google and type Daily Captcha Work. Then click on the Daily Captcha Work website. Now click on above three dots, then click on Register Now. Here, fill the all details. And yes, remember the username and password because it is used to log in website. Once you enter all the details, then click on Create Account. Now congratulations, your account is successfully opened on a Daily Captcha Work website. Now go to Login button and here type your username and password that you choose to create an account. Now you will come to this page. Click on Start Captcha Work here. Then type the CAPTCHA that will be given to you. After that, click on the Submit CAPTCHA. Then the ad will open. Click on it and wait for 10 to 12 seconds. Then close these tab and back to CAPTCHA tab. Then scroll down slowly. Go slowly, then click on Complete Ad Step 1. Now, you move to second step, then go down slowly. Then click on Complete Ad Step 2. You have to do the same process till step 4. Then in step 5, the Verify article will come down on the next page. Then wait for the timer to end and then go down slowly. Then click to complete the CAPTCHA. Congratulations, you successfully completed a CAPTCHA. Let's continue your work now. Thank you.